Hello again, Nick Scheppa with Miller Motorcars, Bentley Greenwich, and I want to show you a feature on your new Bentley Flying Spur, setting navigation destinations in particular. So once you have the navigation open on your screen, it opens to another tab. I want you to select Destination, which has the checkered flag. Once you select that, you have 3 different searches. I want you to select New Destination. We always start with our state, so where it says USA, I'm going to select that. And you can do abbreviations. For example, we're going to use Connecticut. I'm going to type CT. It says Connecticut there. I'm just going to select like so. Then we start with the city, right there. And you could simply either type it in or use this rollerball right here. I'm going to Stamford, which comes up on the top there. I can just select it like so. And then it asks you for the name of the street. We're going to our service facility. I'm going to select McGee Avenue. And then you select your number. In this particular instance, 186. I'm going to hit OK. On the right side, it asks you to start your route guidance. Select Start Route Guidance from there.
The route is being calculated.
You're ready to drive. Now if I want to make that a favorite, all I have to do on the tab right there, it has favorite with the star. I'll simply select favorite. I'll select what type of destination I want, home, work. So for example, work.
Please drive to the route.
Brings another tab there. I'm going to select work again. And then I have it saved as a recent destination. So I'm going to select it just like there. Now we're saved for work. I hope it helps.